नमस्कार दोस्तों वेलकम टू Shashank's live podcast and today I would like to confess over here something which is really important and that is related with the students who are into first year, second year, third year, final year, and some of them they are passed out student as well. So the queries is related to jobs and getting a salary. All right. So why I'm making this video, because there was something uh, wrong, I would not say, but right also it's not happening, and that is about the mindset of youngsters as of now. So uh, while I was talking to some of the people who are into first year, second year, third year, final year, and I met them through LinkedIn app. You might be knowing about LinkedIn, and also some of the people who texted me in WhatsApp as well and through my YouTube channel. And the queries is all about that getting a job where they wanted to work for. But the problem with this is not they wanted to work in that such companies. The main focus of people to whom I am talking with is the salary issue. So whenever somebody is texting me and talking and asking me about the job in any of the sectors, especially in where I'm working right now, and in my organization as well, I'm recruiting some of the few people for a job role. And what I found out overall after talking to the people, that they are not having focus in work, but they are more interested in the salary part, and that's a problem is starting with for the youngsters who are into first year and second year, third year, final year, or you can say the younger generation. Now here is also not a problem. The salary, definitely people have the expectations of salaries in the initial stage as well, if you are a first, second year, third year. But the question is more important here is, do you know the skill? Do you know the work role? Do you have that skills to do that work so that you will get paid? The question is this: you are a first year student, second year student, try to understand. I understand your uh, thought process, because you are already investing into engineering and your courses into in college, and you have some expectation that you will get a salary, you have some expectation that you will get a job. You also have expectation that you are studying something, you're getting a degree, and you are into the process of completion of that graduation degree. So you have that expectation that I know most of the things, I have that skills. But in reality, when we see that there is no skills we have, so when you apply for the job and you're getting rejected, even though some people are getting a job, but they are not doing that work because they are getting less salary. Guys, you are into first, second year, please try to understand that getting a salary right now is not much important, but more important is what the skills you will learn. And apart from this, something really important is finding out your passion. Yes, and trust me, if you are only dependent on college, you will never able to find out your passion, true passion. And finding out passion, I'll tell you a tip which it worked for me, and I'm pretty much sure it will work for you as well. So how you can find out your real passion, where the work which you are going to do in future, either in a job or a business, you will be working very happily. And how you will do this? Very simple. As I said, your focus should not be earning, not be getting only on salary part, but instead that your mindset and thought process should be in such a way that your focus should be on gaining skills and the knowledge. And in this process, you must, while working, you should feel happy enough and love enjoying and doing that work. Because if you're not loving the work which you are going to do, after 5 6 months, let's take 1 year, if you're feeling that this work is not good for me, I can't do this work, then this is not your actual passion. Then you try something other segment, you try something other field, and there also you do the same thing. Work into multiple uh, things and try to find out your real passion and real interest. This is what I did. I understood that I was having a misconception that I like more mechanical stuffs and like technology, that more or technical stuffs. This is what I was having a misconception. But in if you talk about me, I am a very introvert person, but in reality the work which I am doing is something really extrovert. And yes, trust me, uh, how I found out while working into different multiple companies, and understanding what is actually made me happy and what is actually made me to work more and give me more excitements. So it is as simple as that. You work into multiple companies, forget for some few months that you will be getting incomes, right? You should get, but if you're not getting, but still try to work in any of the company where you get the experience, knowledge, skills. Apart from this, you are loving that work or not, so that you will understand this is a field where I don't want to go. First, there are two fields generally. One is technical, second is non-technical. So while you work in both kind of companies, both kind of segments, then you understood that this is a field where I wanted to go. Some people are good at technical stuffs like software stuffs, and some people are good in speaking, talking with people, convincing, dealing, networking, and some people are good in sitting in front of laptop and doing programming for 10 hours, 12 hours, 9 hours a day. So when you work into different segment, then you understood that this is what I wanted to do. And at that point of time, your expectation should not be the salary, but your expectation should be how I can grow this company. Now the second thing is really important, and is I would like to talk about is a startup companies where they are not able to pay you much, but your expectation is high, but they are not able to pay you much, but they are giving you a good position. So I recommend you that you grab that opportunity, because you're getting a very good position and you're getting more and more responsibilities. So when you get more and more responsibilities, then you do multiple things in that company and you learn different multiple things. For example, you will also do marketing of the company, you will do branding of the company, you will handling finance of the company, and you will try to target or achieve the targets and generate the revenue for the company. You will try to make the Excel sheet and the data sheet for the company, है ना? So there are a lot of other fields and segments are there in that when you're working in the startups. So this is really important to grabbing the opportunity and working there, because you get more and more skills, you develop those leadership qualities as well, and maybe who knows, you will be recruiting some of the people in your startup. So this is really important, and you can start implementing and work on that. Apart from this, I would like to say that think and think about getting the stakes from the company apart from the salary as well. Salary is very good to think about, and it is something where you are going to employ of the company. But if you think that you are the owner of the company and you are the CEO of the company, then the things changes and you become more smarter. Because when you think that this is your company and you are working in that manner, with that attitude, with that personality, you gain a lot of skills, leadership skills and that entrepreneurial skills, because of which you develop a lot and you become a different person totally, and you will be transformed to 360-degree. And when with this skills and with thought process, with this attitude, when you go and work and apply for any company, it will be very easy for you to crack and get a job over there, because you have all those qualities of a leader or a CEO or a director which they are having. When you have all these qualities, automatically you will be getting in a, and you will be landing in a very good position in as a job role, right? So that is the thing. So never fear. Most of the people, what I've seen, they fear a lot that if I get this much of target, I have to do this many of work, how can I do it? So that is the only time where you are actually developing all those qualities of running a company. And then when you, even though you fail in any of the field, while going when you go and apply for the company and you're getting rejected, but in some of the companies definitely you'll get a job. When you have those skills and qualities, nobody can stop you. So thank you all, thanks a lot. This is what I would like to discuss. So your focus should not be the salary part, but your focus should be more on work and gaining skills and all those qualities of a person who are in the top position like CEO or directors and chairman of the company. Hope so you keep these things in mind and apply all those things and develop all those qualities within you, and wish you a very uh, happy and you can say a successful life, and you will definitely get all those achievements and the dreams which you are thinking about. So thanks a lot. Namaste.